to learn about GMAW and FCAW filler metals. GMAW uses a continuous solid wire electrode for filler material. This filler wire is made from high-grade pure alloys compounded for different applications. The most commonly used fillers are carbon steel filler, which can contain alloys such as silicon, manganese, aluminum, carbon, nickel, chromium, and molybdenum. These alloys are used to affect various properties of the weld. Low alloy steel fillers contain alloys that affect the properties of the weld metal also. The tensile strength of low alloy filler metals is usually higher than carbon steel filler metals. Stainless steel filler metals should be selected to closely match the alloy composition of the base metal. Stainless steel filler metals also require specific shielding gases or gas mixtures. Aluminum filler metals usually contain magnesium, manganese, zinc, silicon, or copper for increased strength. They are designed to weld specific types of aluminum and should be selected for compatibility. Copper and copper alloy filler metals match the base metal compositions and contain other elements that increase strength and deoxidize the weld metal. Nickel and nickel alloy filler metals contain other elements to match base metal applications and to increase the strength and quality of the weld metal. Argon or mixtures of argon and helium are usually used as shielding gases. Magnesium alloy filler metals are usually used with GTAW, GMAW, and plasma arc welding processes. Argon or an argon and helium mixture are usually used as shielding gases. Titanium and titanium alloy filler metals require high purity gas shielding and can be successfully fusion welded to zirconium, tantalum, niobium, and vanadium, but should not be welded to copper, iron, nickel, and aluminum. FCAW is generally used for welding ferrous metals including low and medium carbon steels, some low alloy steels, cast irons, and stainless steels. The FCAW electrode wire is made by forming a thin filler metal strip into a U shape, filling the U with the flux material, then squeezing the strip shut around the flux. The tube is drawn through dies to size the wire and compact the flux. Carbon steel and low alloy steel flux cord fillers are the most common.